Last year, the minimum wage in Minnesota rose to $8 an hour. By next year, it will rise again, and after that, it will continue to grow with inflation. Republicans in the Minnesota House have concerns about what this may mean for some businesses. They've developed legislation that would prevent one group of workers from getting that pay raise in 2016. Their target, tipped workers. Some Republicans want to create a two-tiered minimum wage system for workers who get tips on top of hourly pay. This would include people working in the hospitality and service industry or any other employees who regularly receive tips. If workers make a certain amount of money per hour in tips, their bosses could pay them less than the minimum wage. It would work like this. The current minimum wage in Minnesota is $8 an hour for all workers. By 2016, it will rise to $9.50 an hour. If this bill becomes law, it would mean that tipped workers would remain at $8 an hour as long as they make at least $4 an hour or more in tips, making their wage at least $12 an hour. If they don't make that much in tips, then they too would get the higher minimum wage. Most states already apply a lower minimum wage to tipped workers. According to the U.S. Department of Labor, 43 states allow businesses to pay tipped workers below the minimum wage. Only 7 states, including Minnesota, require businesses to pay tipped workers the standard state minimum wage. Wisconsin, for example, pays tipped workers $4.92 an hour, but has a standard minimum wage of $7.25 for everyone else. Republicans say the rise of the minimum wage next year would cost places like restaurants too much money and put them out of business. Democrats, who control the Senate, say the Republican proposal would cut pay for an estimated 8,000 working mothers over the age of 30. Hannah Flood, Murphy News Service.